de ye mpanimfo animu ye fom ena sami jamfi eye gold board
Pajama kwa babion Fambra Ghana Nsem TV eso edi amjeso ene promise the blogger. Ye nua bema dani e de nsem bia ba beto dia o kyeremu say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Wade hye adane nkoa e wa amanfo kuro so. Na emom no woni mbiri ye o. So ba ye hwe o mo na emom no amanfo de ye e na wogi wo man ne mu. Sei ene se ne osi kire nsem mentie nsem de to dua no. Na ewi a ye nso ye ba kire adwen e wa ho. Ebusua ye nkombra.
asase we se so minhu nipa bi asabi ni yemu ba ayira odifura ne ne achi e wo sere so se oboa no na wahwehwe ne nantwi a sisire ache no minhu bi da agi yewura His Excellency John Dramani Mahama sabi nipa na sene mu ba ayira na emfa no ho enye ne dadwene na odifula ne ne achi se oboa no wahwehwe ne nantwie e wo sere so na sisire ache fulani ni nantwie ba yewura John Dramani Mahama ehu behia se mopa akufuado ne Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bomia ache okrum ha eye na bema oman Ghana yenso yenya yasumdwie nyesa enome ankasa da wamamu we so yankopon ede ne nsa kan wamamu we unya peace of mind da o 4 years we dabi o said yen o be fa true Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bomia modern world president digitalization man awieye bremu mampanin ne digital address system policy a oye ya ene ama Ghana ye musa yira kwan wo kurom ha no o be fa so achi mabunu no mu bia eye his speech efa Ghana yen politics ho sa ekwan a ye body gitumi no ye gitumi wi a yesi no ekwan a NDC political party mo fa so kuro yi mu di gitumi no sesei ehu abehia se sa mutua sa kwan no ye wo kuro mu ha ena Kevin Taylor di tumi share nensa na oti US abrochiman mu edidi Ghana ahemfo atem ye na sofo ye chief limanfo kroyimu atitirufo atem na obi nim ne ye wo hye Kevin Taylor chi until say ye to aba ema wo se mampanin ena Ghana ya hemfo ne ya sofo ne atitiru we wo kroyimu ye chief limanfo ehunu se wo John Dramani Mahama ena na wo hye Kevin Taylor chi adapa no wo twa Ghana mpanimfo sana na wo na wo ye the secret behind His Excellency John Dramani Mahama sabi asantefo se ye bodam a ye bodam efrifie edambo se obi bodam watiasi abontina odi frifie na si abontene na no mebeka sa se enuoma moyeye na yesa eto ho no eno ena ahye mabunu no mu bi nkunan a ene babunu timi sore eni soja ni di boani babunu timi sore eni police as a civilian eni Ghana yen security edi boani ni nyina ye 2024 na MDC mo pesa mo ba aban mu tumi a mo de hye mo nsa ne mpanimfo bi a mubu wo mo animtia ne nkwada bi a
Johnny baby hwe mama kan sem bi ansa na video no kra na yaden ya to aso Andra mi hu video bi say a minister for air foreign affairs Samuel Okujoto ablakwa akopie mu e wo Cote d'Ivoire a say one Ghana for amakoda no refugees won no oni bi ma kodi nkomo initially no now I'm say nampa nipa edi kan koda no refugees no no was 13,000 but according to report Okujoto ablakwa minister for foreign affairs said by Andra na say mu almost 8,000 abefi a hemu be 5,000 and amugosu e wo no you know me, you know, I like to say like they are just playing with our mind. That's the honest truth I'll tell you. Because we've not seen any reports I indicated say indeed 8,000 of them are returning abefie. We've not seen any reports. We've not seen nothing like that. What if the minister never come back and the he's just trying to make the public feels like, oh, people in Kofono come abefie, baby, are you okay? Could it be like that? When I say he's just saying something to make people feel like the tension is down or something. Because I've not seen any report, aside what he said, I've not seen any report anywhere indicating that the Okano had like Oma cross checking will say and by an say 8,000 of the out of the 13,000 nabefi. I've not seen anything like that. But what do you say? Yes, video no and we na afraid you make a full submission on what we also think about what Danny is saying.
The penning for any year form. And as Sammy Jamfi a gold board penning Yenimun Samu or can kurimu or Tina Adum TV kaye or Tina Onuya kaye or Tina SYZ TV station kaye UTV or Tina kaye TV3 station or Tina kaye Yenim na ye nyam mofra sabi na ye fifiri sen na ye nyini na ye ni abie ye ni atini munyansa Yenimun Samu Asami Jamfi mu kaye ene tumi abedi wonsa enti ekwan a ye body gi tumi no wo ho kwan ope right se usi no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama unim sade yesidi digital address system pe enkrofo a eka his speech ya eno nti na me sha ase no me ka se me hu dasani asabi na sinimu ba ono ankasa ni moja ayira na odi fulani ni achi se woni na hwehwe na ntwi desewo muanu mu asamu amokaye tribal politics mu ye ni kuro yimu efa Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia so na ye nuanu mu nkusa asifo nyina ato abamaawo enya wo mu gidie se o ba besi hene na o ma onyomo hene no ene eso asotwe na o man mu namu tituru ni nsiremfo enamu wo sirem Mesi ewiase se wudi toro edi hye nyankopon a nyame bayi ne ho ano na wa expose na nipa hu se de ositie because untimi ni toro nhye nyame eno ma bia mo kafa Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ho no se yenuanom nodness ama out ama voice out ampa Bawumia chewa asumdue masiremu nyame na ayi na no ama Bawumia sa na wiase tie tribal politics ya mu ye no ho Ghana yabakosemu enipa over 13,000 atu afri kroimu a mu afri sirem untumi hwe kwan a wode wo mo beba na emom esa wo boto ho no eno na wo hwe kwan a wode betua me say wade hye wabusuafo wo fa asefo no wo nananom wo nuamo o papa nom o matu tinkrofo krom enya aduane ni kofa wo mo bra na wo ye Ghanafo na jai se ubie nsawa mu no yes me say kofa wo mo bra kuro yi mu o mo ye Ghanafo na jai se usi nsawa mu dan no kofa wo mo bra eno ne hia Ghana ya de hia atuna nkrofo aman so abaten ye wo mu man kwada nufu a o mu nya aduane ni John Dramani Mahama eno ne hia kofa wo mo bra na emabunu sabi muankasa mo NDC party etwa asa nkwada nketo na ewuru amanyosemu a omode mpanimfo atamdie ene hye amanyo ase Sami Jamfi mo etwa to ho no eso aba ena mutwa bibia mo fa so adege power okuro we mu no ena mutwa so aba tribal politics ya mukoye ni sirem ene ne wankasa okromfo gonja ehosuja tomu no Savannah region sola tuna kaba eja atoho no ni nyina ye monumu asem ne nsam a sabi mo kan ye wura bi kan pani bi ka kire mo se His Excellency John Dramani Mahama gina paso kasa na unyenya nsafo a na sem bia obeka bia obagie adi because near ɔman no pese omutie eno no oba bɛka kyerɛ omo na owie na obusa ne se ene de wo ma speech yo wa ya de na oba ne wo kan yɛn wo betimi aya o se de Ghana fo pese omo te eno na maka kyerɛ omo na enyamwa eye ɔman no sabi emu nipa bi a enya nyiniye na ama ɔman no aduru sei ene mo ankasa mu kromufo na voice out se dabi party na mo kan kire ye se omunye nipa bonefo omu ne ba aban mu a ye hunu empuntuo ewo ye ha omu ne ba aban mu a omu ye nhyehyeye na bi sunye so party no a mo beto ya adwene sabi enkrofo bola ye de akogu dasmu mo de be gura ya adwene mu no sa party ni ne ba aban mu a ye nya so mfa so enti na me se kwasia bajimifo ta wo bajimifo a na mantem obia de ne dane messenger wo bra ebewie timo tribal politics mo dada politics ya mo ya mo adwene se da bia mo be frɛ nipa adwene na mo ma nipa ni nte enhunu ne yakoso wo wiase no ebre beso yenuanom nsiremfo o sa atwan mu sirem se 2028 mo besan abaya tribal politics no asan beto o madwene biem bokofo a eda na omienu o mo twan mo NDC aban ebre beso tumi so wo ba bia ekosie timo nkoso mese kofa wade hye ne bra na ba omia digital address system no ya nya ne sese bi yede be kan kwada edi mpanimfo atem eno de kasa na ba omia ye na kamo ne yede chemo to why ti kofo wade hye bra na ja se wonam sere so penantwie no
him say utie asana da nika na this guy always make a lot of sense nanse me can be ano he makes a lot of sense because I read this reports I think 2 or 3 days ago indicating that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama deportees are President Donald Trump our United States of America e deportee omo no free West Africa omo free West Africa and yes we Ghana for omo free West Africa so basically they can be Senegalese, they can be Nigerians, they can be Nigerians, Togolese, and even they make some of them can be Ghanaians, but I'm not sure they are Ghanaians because if omo Ghanaians can report them like say Ghanaian deportees. Now, according to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, there are 17 of them. Waja to Musa Obejiom, Ghana, Hanum say, and 4 of them are already Badada. So after reading the report, I was like, this is misplaced priority. Neka say misplaced priority now. Actually, say, the Munyano, Munye, the Munyani Mumuna Woye, Adena, Faso Bieniso. The operator no if so be any so because all citizens are refugees will be for the first time in the history of the Republic of Ghana. Ghana timamufu akwa the refugees will be mine so for the first time, and it's happening under your government, and you are not paying attention to that one, but rather you are here accepting deportees from the United States. These deportees in question in Pono are not even Ghanaians. They can say, okay, some are Ghana for, so what's the big deal? There's nothing big deal about it, right? These people are not Ghanaians. These people are deportees from West Africa. Ghana they can't be. And you are accepting those deportees in your country. For what reason? Whilst your citizens are currently refugees in someone's country. And that's what we call misplaced priority. It's like the government doesn't even know what they are doing. They are just mixing things up and Charlie, it's kind of sad. Say what this year could name kwa will be chrome. Na nipa o makodi o mboni o money abo o so monko no. Akakodi o mso ne wa betan me chrome. Na ye ti akra na ye hu nso ye so. Ye hu nso ye so. Wo man ye ti mu. And this is the kind of person or your woman penina. How do you expect the country to develop? How do you expect the country to go forward? Your citizens are refugees in someone's country, and you are here busily accepting deportees from someone's country. A serious president. It's not serious, I'm telling you. It's not. Ebusua ha Ghana Nsɛm TV edi am gye so. Promise diploma me ho adwen twɛn so e wo comment section ni mu. Medase.